Hello, Matrix Hacks enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a journey to unlock the potential of your digital world. Ever imagined earning $1,000 in passive income using only your phone? You're in the right place. In this video, we're unveiling 15 apps that can turn that dream into reality. But before we dive into this treasure trove of apps, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to become a part of our ever-growing Matrix Hacks community. Get ready for some cutting-edge insights, and let's dive right in. Our first app is a survey-taking sensation. It's as easy as pie. Have you ever voiced your opinion and gotten paid for it? Well, now you can. Sign up for the Survey King and start earning cash for sharing your thoughts on products and services. Next up, we've got an app that turns your shopping into a money-making adventure. Cashback Extravaganza is here to put some extra bucks back in your pocket with every purchase. It's like getting paid to shop, and who doesn't love that? If you've ever been curious about the stock market but hesitant to jump in, Stock Market Simulator is your chance to learn and earn. Practice trading with virtual money, sharpen your skills, and once you're confident, make real investments that can bring in those sweet dividends. For all the social media enthusiasts out there, we've got a game changer. Social Media Manager lets you monetize your love for scrolling and posting, manage accounts, schedule posts, and earn money through sponsored content and affiliate marketing. Your favorite pastime is now your passive income source. Are you a creative genius, writer, or designer? Freelancer's Paradise is the app for you. It connects you with clients looking for your skills, and you can complete projects at your own pace. You're the boss, and the income is all yours. Gamers, listen up. Cash Prize Games brings the thrill of gaming to a whole new level. Compete in tournaments and challenges to win real cash prizes. Your gaming skills can now fatten your wallet. Real Estate Moguls, this one's for you. Real Estate Tycoon lets you invest in virtual properties and rake in the profits. No need for massive capital. Just your phone and a little strategy, and you're on your way to earning big. If you're passionate about content creation, Content Creators Goldmine is the key to passive income. Upload your videos, photos, and stories, and earn royalties when others use your content. It's like getting paid for being creative. Affiliate marketing is a powerhouse in the online world, and Affiliate Marketing Ace makes it easy. Promote products you love and earn a commission on every sale generated through your unique links. It's a win-win for you and the companies you partner with. Our next app is the Investment Planner. This app helps you set your financial goals, and it recommends the best investment options to achieve them. With a few taps, you can start building your investment portfolio and watch your wealth grow. And now we have Cash for Clicks. This app lets you earn money by simply clicking on ads and links. It might not make you a millionaire, but it's a straightforward way to make some extra cash while you're waiting in line or during your coffee break. Are you up for quick tasks? Mobile Micro Jobs is the app for you. These tasks range from taking photos, completing surveys, or checking prices at your local stores. Each job is simple and pays a small fee, but they can add up fast. Have items lying around that you rarely use? Rent out your stuff lets you earn by renting them out to others. Whether it's your camera, bike, or even a power tool, this app connects you with people willing to pay for temporary use. If you're multilingual, language tutoring can be a goldmine. Teach a language you're fluent in to individuals looking to learn. You can set your own rates and schedule, making it a flexible and profitable side gig. Lastly, we have the Remote Work Hub. This app provides a platform for remote freelancers and professionals. From graphic design to programming, you can find remote jobs here and make money from the comfort of your home. It's an excellent option for those seeking more stable income. Now, that's our incredible list of 15 apps to help you earn $1,000 in passive income using just your phone. Remember to hit that like button if you found this video valuable, and subscribe for more game-changing tips from Matrix Hacks. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these apps, or if you have other app suggestions. And don't forget to check the description box for valuable resources and links. Your support means the world to us, and I love you all. Thank you for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep earning with Matrix Hacks. Until next time.